enjoyed the camp so far. I find it a friendly environment. The teachers are nice and helpful. Very nice to learn. It helps you choose your future career. If you want to be an engineer, it teaches you about petroleum, civil, and electricity, and material. And overall, it's really fun, and I would recommend it to other people.
I found the environment the thing that I liked the most. The project that we did, it was all teamwork, and I really had fun working with my team. They were always very understanding, and we had a good time. The professor was really fun. It was very engaging. We spent so much time with each other, and so everyone became really friendly with one another.
The teachers are really helpful, and you can learn a lot of stuff about engineering, and it's like so much fun, you know, like the experience and stuff. And I would recommend it to people in high school because you will experience a lot of stuff for your future if you want to be an engineer, and it's really fun for learning.
My favorite part about the camp was electrical engineering because we did a lot of coding and assembled Arduino boards. And it's a really good skill to learn for future businesses and just a skill to learn overall. I would love to attend this university.